Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and my bangs like to separate. So I try to put them together, but they'll just separate again. It's just the way of the world. This is one of my favorite boxes. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Did I say that already? And there are kittens in the room. And that's fitting because I have the Beat to Hell kittenit box with toys and snacks for the babies. And Ruby's never had anything from this box before. So this is very exciting. This is a $19.99 a month box. And they ship to Canada and the US. And whenever I do one of their videos, they always make a comment so I know that they see what I do. And I love kittenit box. Please give me a discount code so other people can try your box for like 10% off or something. That would be awesome. And this is how it looks on the inside. And you get usually 5 or 6 things. And it looks like there's 5 things today. And it is definitely, you get your value's worth. And do you see the little kitten sticker? I need to not tear that and put it on my fridge. We take all stickers that we like and we put magnetized paper, sticky paper on the back of them, so we use them for, oh, this is really fun. Look at all this goodness. Wolfie, do you want some toys? Wolfie loves toys. Ruby! Ruby! Let's see if I can't get her in here. It looks like there is a theme where it's diners, drive-ins, and purrs themed cat box. So it's like drive-in food, to-go food. Looks really great. And there's a bunch. This is a very full box. The first thing I'm picking up is the AFP, which is all for paws. Jumbo Cheeseburger. This mouth-watering toy will make even humans and kitty dads hungry, but it's for little paws only. Just for the paws. Complete with jingly safety belt and filled with Canadian catnip and a fluffy, oh, Jessie's in here and Wolfie's in here. Jessie loves a jingle toy. And it's a dual texture cheeseburger will keep her, oh, she's in here too. Let's release the hamburger. And it is a $6 toy. And the catnip quality in this box is fantastic. Who wants a new toy? I got 3 out of 4 cats here. Somebody's gonna get it. Don't worry, there's plenty where that came from. Next up we have Meow Milkshake. We love a milkshake. Let's see. Dancing wand. Oh, here it is. It is Leap 100% catnip milkshake. This tasty beverage will have your furry friend begging, "Pretty please, pretty please," with a cherry on top. Oh, everybody's in here now. Trying to get their paws on it. Super fuzzy, beautiful, printed, iconic dinner treat is filled with nothing but the best Californian catnip, around $8, $6. There's another toy, kittens. They're very excited. All the cats are in here because they know what's coming. Louie's up here on my knee with his claws. They are all excited about the toys. I can't believe they're on here. I wish I had a kind of fancy camera where I could show you them being excited. Louie, get off the table. Louie, you're terrible. Then we have a dangling toy, which is Paws and Purr's fancy dancing wand. This cheerfully colored wand reminds us of the classic blow-up air dancers that you see. Oh yeah, like the wacky wavers that you see outside your favorite drive-in, beckoning you to pull up and catch the newest flick. We know the flouncy elastic streamers will have your kitty on their toe beans, chasing it through the air as soon as they see it. $7, and it's got a good cord on it. And these are very stretchy, so that they'll be very popular. Right now, Ruby does not care for the milkshake. She's scratching it like it's poison. They know what this sound is. Does anybody want some treats? Treats, treats, who wants treats? treats. They're all going crazy. Who wants treats? Wolfie wants treats. Anybody else want treats? And these are Wellness Kitties Tasty Crunchy Cat Treats, Tuna and Cranberry recipe. Anybody else want treats? Usually I try to get them all to meow, but this is hard to open. I'm just gonna cut it. Treats, treats, we love treats. Cats love treats and eat to eat. Wolfie says, yeah. There, I threw it over away from me. And they're all over in the corner getting the cat treats. And these Wellness Kitty grain-free tuna cranberry crunchy cat treats made with high-protein tuna as the first ingredient. These tasty treats are a healthy snack you can feel good about, less than 2 calories per treat, and are packed with wholesome ingredients like peas, blueberries, and cranberries. These are great for rewarding or just treating your cat to a sumptuous snack. $4. And they always love the treats that I get in this box. They've never, ever been disappointed by the treats. And then I love this the most. It's the eat sign. And it says, we've all been called in by this sign, either for a sit-down meal or a quick snack. And when your purr pals see this kicker, they'll know they're in for a great time. Adorable detail. This toy is perfectly shaped for cuddles and licks alike, and filled with a winning mix of soft plush, and Canadian catnip, and that is $6. There's always a good value. You always get your money's worth on this box. These are very high-end cat toys. There's a new toy, so that's it. We've got an empty box and some happy kitties, and that is the Kitnip box. We love the Kitnip box, and they are excited to get it. I get it every other month, so that way I don't have like a million cat toys. So that's it. Have a great day or day your choice. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you real soon.